sitting like up here. It's so nice.
This table and the chair,
Yeah.
someone from Department of Education gave it to my papa.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like everything. It's so nice. Wait, what was this room? The family room.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is the family room. And this is the office.
Oh,
so
okay.
all the like the CCTV.
Look at Jerome's photo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what you guys look like when you're younger. We have something like this too.
Yeah.
Aww.
From elemental.
Wow, that's so nice. I like it because you get all like natural.
Natural light, right? So it's really nice here during the sunset. Like when we come out the door, it's always the view is always nice. It's our room. It's our room. It's messy pa
It's
dyan.
okay. Who cares? I don't care. And then your mom's room or the yaya's room, Jerome's room.
Actually, this is Jerome's original room.
And then it's smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, he wanted to be there. That's why he moved there.
And the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
I like this area. It's like my favorite. Ooh. And your garden. So cute. Cute.
Before the grass are all green, now it's all ano na.
Because they poo.
Yeah, and tea. We have a small lemon tree.
Aw.
That's Coco.
Hi, Coco.
She's the most scared dog ever.
Aw.
We're gonna do coffee tasting.
Where did you buy these ones?
Online, Shopee. You know
Ah,
about Shopee.
yeah.
Actually, my lolo and lola, later pa, they will come here also. Actually, they will taste also the coffee.
Oh, you didn't pick yet which one?
Yeah, we're letting people taste for us. Yeah.
Or we can just put ice here too.
How much ice usually, Jill?
Just enough.
Just enough. So
Is there enough here, right?
some more.
You do the other way for the Americano. I do the water first,
And then an Americano. So medyo correct na pala I'm doing for the iced lattes. I just do the espresso. And then for the milk. And that.
Yes, that's good already. How much is it for this one?
Basta Papa bought all those coffee up there. Siguro how many ba? This one 250, 250 grams. 250, so almost 1
Yeah, this
kilo.
is good. I would drink this.
If you're in a coffee shop ba, okay na siya?
Yeah.
Pasalo na siya?
Yeah.
Si tutor.
Ah, okay. Dapat may fee yan.
No, it's okay. Wait, so you know today when Rose delivered it?
I didn't know.
I didn't know it was her. She's like, do you remember me? I was like, are you Auntie's sister? She's like, no. And I was like, yeah, she's wearing her mask. I was like, can you remove your mask? And she's like, no. She was shy.
She was really excited. She was really excited.
I know.
Ako din your grandmother now? 80. 80 pa lang gali? Kasi Mama is already 80. Mag-84 na this April. Ah, so she's older pala than PG.
Enough lang, correct na.
Yeah.
Kasi we're not really focused naman talaga on coffee. We'll just serve coffee. Kasi di ba, if you just train someone and then you'll hire a new one and then
so
training is not already that good.
again, alone again. To me, you are the brightest star in the sky. Oh, why do you cry? Why do you cry? Do not fear, we've been here before, my dear. It's clear that we've made it this far. Now look where we are. Mm. 'Cause keeping all my love, keeping all my love for you.
Yeah, that's the car. Manna! Where's the Manna sign? There's no Manna. Oh, there it is! It's so small. Zoom in.
Jenna, we don't have a sign.
Yeah, you should. What? Are you guys trying to make it like quiet so nobody knows it's here?
We don't even have a signage.
We're here at Manna Is it Manna Distribution?
Mana
Manna.
Fresh Food Aid. It's a plant.
Ooh, okay, here we are.
Manufacturing.
That's the old sign.
Yeah, the logo for the bread. But you look at the packaging. This is the new sign already.
Oh,
This one.
nice.
So this is the pantry, kitchen. This is the office.
Is she here?
Hello.
Hi.
I think ito say. Is that Justin?
Hola, she brought pictures talaga.
Oh my gosh, this is what I remember. I have to show this to Dad. Wait, who? Perla, Rose. I forgot. I remember him.
Yeah,
I remember this guy. Is he the driver?
Yeah,
And he's the warehouse guy.
He
Warehouse, yes.
Si Kuya
Bellies.
June worked with Divi before Divi.
Really?
He was the OM before and then now it's Divi.
June Lim, Lamingate.
This is Justin yan. This is Jin yan.
Sa 1996.
Wait, you have a copy?
1997. Pero si Sir kasi dali kumiyuko.
Kasi na ba?
Mahilig man si Sir Titi. Antas ang mga picture.
Yeah.
And look, they're holding hands up.
Your mom and Perla.
They're having
Aww. And that's her daughter.
So cute.
Kaya ito tasang ako nila natin yun.
Nakay si Sir Titi busy man naming gate na warehouse.
Abla kong tipo
Carla MSL. Rose, hindi pwede. Rose, hindi pwede sa kung Gian. Tanyal bata. Saka anay ko hindi pwede. Pati si Mercy. Mercy hindi pwede. Si Mercy, that's it. The uniform pa sexy ka si Mercy. Tanya si Gian. Hindi naman si bata.
Do you remember like a memory where you went to the
office, the warehouse?
Yeah, because our church was there at that time. There was a church in the back.
I go to the church with someone.
Canada.
Holy.
Bata pa kalita din.
Eh?
Bata pa kalita.
Pero mga grade 1 na sila.
Grade 1 na sila.
Oh, grade 1.
I'm 29 now.
Sa lawayin pag si Antes Koreki, Korea. Dumatay ako ng bata kay Papa Perdes eh.
So yung makulit na si Jill yan.
Oh, you were malikot.
You were malikot.
That's also my
memory of you.
you.
You know, my memory is like when I don't have money, then they will give me 20 pesos, and then I go downstairs to buy the shoma and stuff like that. And then I also remember everyone's like talking and having fun, and then when Dad comes, then they start working.
Wow, they're in
Like in the back, like all the way in the back. That's where they hang out and talk. And then when Dad comes, then let's work. But no, I just observed that as a kid.
Pasali ka po sa kasi sir. Kami kasi sa kanya, may SNX. Rose, busy yo ha? Mga binakunsiya.
I think I just realized now that Mom and Dad was actually very busy.
Yeah.
Even my aunties, they will say like they'll just drop Justin off at San Jose, and then we'll be like really sweaty and like stinky, and then she'll have to like help us take a bath when we're younger. So.
Kasi si Ma'am Janet, busy that way.
Like our mom and dad. That's why siguro they click.
After, basta yun, siya ni Lola.
Sila our grandma.
Grandma kasi before.
Kasi my grandma already retired early. I don't know how old your lola is still teaching in Claret.
She's still teaching.
Until senior
yan.
year, senior.
Kapag ang late si sila por kaso ng mga Janet. Kasi si Janet, may matarda ganyan mga bata.
That's why I realized, oh, why do I like going like on my own?
Yeah.
It's because they're not really there. Not in a negative way, but like you realize
Growing up,
my
right?
parents were like busy and then they just bring me to places. So it also affects me. As an adult.
Really?
May go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show.
Sanitation room.
Hi.
This is where they make the bizcocho, the one your dad wants.
Oh yeah.
Crowded.
Wait, can't you make the croissants here?
In that room, because it's here hot, they can put them down.
That's so cool.
It's sure where they put the bread.
This is the biscotti?
Yeah. Scotcho.
Biscocho. What time do they start working?
6 o'clock in the morning.
Until when?
4 or 5.
Hello. Really? Hi.
This is the only air-conditioned room here.
Because you're making the cake. It's actually nice to see it like in the bigger production.
Yeah.
Look at all their mixers.
And then, go to the packing area.
Wait, so you're always in there, and then Jerome's here.
The oven. And this is the proofing room.
Oh, to rise, yeah.
So you
Oh.
just bought this. It's really expensive. This one, you can cool the bread after you bake it. You can cool the bread like 3 minutes back.
So how many breads do you guys make a day?
Average of how many sacks?
It's about
Times
80 loaves, 1 sack.
Oh, that's a lot. And the bread lasts for how long? Like actually like 2 weeks, right? Something like that? Yeah.
This is hot box.
That's everybody.
Ooh.
Careful, it's hot.
So this is where they pack everything.
Ah. Well, their blade.
Yeah.
We're opening the cafe, so we have to have
Oh.
space for like other like, specialties. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, legit plant.
It's nice. I like seeing stuff like this.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at all the bread. Cool. Okay.
And that's the place where they like have lunch and do their like personal stuff. And then there's a small house there. It's like they need to like stay for the night.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You let them? Oh, okay.
And then that area is the shop where we repair like machine, equipment.
Delivery truck.
We're here at coffee hour. We're gonna have brunch here. This is nice. Oh, they have an upstairs?
I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love.
Soul Bakery. Wow! Nice, Joe.
Parang mas maganda to dun sa for me, ano bias? No bias.
This one's better. I like it. I like that. The table. And then here is the... Ah!
Inspired to create your own cafe.
Of course, always.
Sa ano, Arayat, no? Yun talaga, the best.
Ooh, look at all the goodies that we got. Thanks, Joanna. Thanks, Jerome. We got some patatas, toasted mamon, choco bread, whole wheat bread, more choco bread, cream bread, ube bread,